Hey, we are Can We Bark here, and we travel full-time with our dog Kona and our RV.
After another long summer of extreme heat that forced us into campgrounds to stay cool, the weather is finally cooling off enough to allow us to go back to boondocking and living truly off the grid. This weekend, we're staying up at Schweitzer Mountain to celebrate the 30th anniversary of Schweitzer's Fall Fest, filled with live music, drinks, hiking, and so much more.
Quite cold. Okay. Alright, just took a shower in the Walmart parking lot. And now I'm gonna take Kona for a walk. Come on, buddy. And we're gonna take the trash out. Then once Rye's done with work, we're gonna head up to Schweitzer for Fall Fest. The roads can be a bit windy and steep, so let's see how Marty does.
Who do we want to be our neighbors? I guess we'll just go like in this middle-ish spot over here. So we just got to Schweitzer Mountain's RV parking area. This spot is super awesome because you can use it in the summer or the winter and park for multiple nights, all completely for free. The spot we picked was great, but not super level. And so one of the tricks I used was we had to raise the right side of the RV up pretty significantly. So on this side, I used the blocks, and instead of stacking them up like 4 or 5 high, we just dug a little trench in there, and that lowered the left-hand side. And so the combination of those two meant we didn't have to stack like 4 or 5 blocks on this side and have us super high up on one end. So just digging a little trench can make up for that difference.
Ryan, what are you doing?
I think the man next to us is more level than we are.
What are you gonna do about it?
Well, if I move my phone, it makes me feel better.
After we parked and got Marty level, we took off the bike to prepare for Fall Fest that begins tomorrow. Once we were done with that, we called it an early night and made dinner, and then woke up for sunrise the next morning.
You ready to go for a hike?
Nearby, we found a hike and took Kona on to burn some energy. It's Fall Fest, so we're packing up the motorcycle right now to take some of our stuff up to the mountain. We're gonna bring some chairs and a blanket, and then we're gonna come back down and pick up Kona on the motorcycle, and we'll be there all night. And it's gonna be all weekend long, and we're super excited to try some beers at Schweitzer.
Yeah.
For our moms, we're only going a short distance, and it's legal in Idaho. Alright, we made it. I just gotta drop off our chairs. We'll go back and get Kona. Oh my gosh, the weather is perfect.
Like a parachute on our back.
You'll always look like the guy from Bug's Life. We're the only ones who thought to bring the Tommy Bahamas. Should we just add to the row? Nice. Good spot.
Phase 1 complete.
Nice.
One, it was a trailer as well.
I love them. There's so many dogs.
Good, right there. Okay, now lay down. ready, bud.
Good job, buddy. It's toasty.
For sure screwed that on there.
Yeah, it seems good. I can say for sure about anything.
Your dog is so cute.
Thank you. Go ahead. This way.
You're so sweet.
Hold on.
Yeah, you nice. Huh? You're a cute.
Yeah, we haven't done that yet. Kona! Alright, let's go. Look at the view! So pretty, Kona!
Hey, buddy. Good job. Better than on me right there.
After listening to the live music, we headed back to the RV before it got dark out to make dinner. Hey, thanks for joining us on our Fall Fest experience. We had a lot of fun up at Schweitzer and are looking forward already to going back next year. If you could take a moment to like and subscribe, we appreciate it, and comment any videos you'd like to see in the future. And if you'd also check us out on Patreon and help support us in any way, that'd be great as well. Thank you so much, and we'll be back again next Sunday at 9:30 PST.